Mike, when is the wedding?
I do not know, Ate Nitz. I think the best person to ask is si Juan Mig because he's the
Pa-interview
guy.
kay Juan Mig.
Pero pinag-usapan nyo na.
Ha?
Pinag-usapan nyo na.
Oh yeah, of
Mag-settle
course
down.
we talk about it. But wala pa ring proposal. So let's just
Kasi
wait.
diba, the second time around, parang ito na yung...
Oo, parang
Yeah, yung pagbalik. Kasi after 29 years.
29 years, imagine.
Yung love life.
Nakita mo yung sarili mo ng ganon? Mag-180?
Grabe talaga. And my mom nga would tell
Sa
me
dami
na,
ng problema dinaanan mo, kayo lang para sa dulo.
He's very open.
yeah. And talaga,
Nakaka-proud, no?
proud talaga sa akin. So talaga parang
Babaeng babae ka, no?
Oo, Marcy. Parang ikaw
Reyna.
lang.
Iba-ibang babae ka.
Nakakagulo.
May iba naman tayo, malapit na 2028. Level up ka na ba?
Ay.
Yun na. That sets it all.
Thank you.